Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 25th March 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 17, number 22, number 35, number 43, booster number 32. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunch tea time hot number prediction. First number 4, number 14, number 31, number 6, number 47, booster number 26. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and